In Filmora X, the audio editing panel provides several options to enhance sound quality. Start by dragging your video to timeline, then double-click on the video. Then go to the Audio tab. Here you will see multiple options. The fade in and fade out options allow users to gradually increase or decrease the audio at the beginning or end of a clip. The pitch slider modifies the frequency of the sound, making voices higher or deeper. On the left side, you can see the audio graph in which you can set the audio limit from slider according to your need. The equalizer option lets users adjust different sound frequencies, with a customize button for manual tuning. The denoise feature helps remove background noise, and its slider controls the strength of noise reduction. The ducking option lowers the volume of background music or other clips when dialogue or voiceovers are playing, ensuring clarity. While auto-normalization balances the audio automatically to maintain consistent levels. After doing all the changes, click on OK. These tools make it easier for beginners to edit and enhance their audio effectively in Filmora X.